How's it going, guys? Welcome to cardbreakkids.com. Today is April 3rd, 2015. Friday, April 3rd. Select just came out today, and Coleton is going to do a personal box break. Let me start off. This is a fresh case. Let me start off by numbering each box. Starting with the top left, that'll be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6, so 7 at the top here, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, and I'm going to go to random.org to determine which box you get, Coleton, because you're not in the room right now. So, all right, let's get right into the random. Random.org. Randomize 3 times. List randomizer. Here we go. Let me plug all the numbers in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, 3 times in the randomizer. Good luck, Coleton. Once. Oh, that's kind of confusing. I should have numbered them by letters. Twice. And last time. Let's see which box you pull. Box number 7. All right, let's go with box 7 for Coleton. Box 7 is the top one on the right here. All right. Let's get right into the break. Good luck, Coleton. Here we go. It's going to be our first break of Select for the day. Select is, let me see how many, 12 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. Give me some practice for later tonight when we break our cases. We got 3 cases breaking tonight. If you're watching this on YouTube, we still probably have some teams and random teams available. All right, there's your 12 packs, Coleton. There's an empty box. Here we go. Good luck. Pack number 1. That's what Select looks like this year, guys. Here you go. We got Andre Iggy, Ty Lawson, Ben McLemore. Looks like you got a Prism, Josh Smith. Prism Josh Smith. Jared Jack. I'm not too familiar with all the names of the cards yet, but I'm gonna look at the checklist as the day goes on. Get kind of familiar with it. There we go, pack 2. We got a blue here. We got a Dwayne Wade. Blake Griffin. Marcus Smart, rookie card. Wow, nice. You got a blue parallel, Zach LaVine. Blue parallel, Zach LaVine, rookie card. And that one's 156 out of 249. Come on, capture. There it is. Very nice. Blue. And a Tony Snell. I don't know what these shield cards are called. Pack 3. Got Ilyasova. Roy Hibbert. Shabazz Napier rookie card. And a green Chris Paul. That is 4 out of 5. Boom! Emerald Chris Paul. Very nice, Coleton. 4 out of 5. See it again. 4, 5. There you go. Congrats, Coleton. A nice low numbered parallel. All right. Oh, Vucevic. Serge Ibaka. DeRozan, and you look like you got a wave, Prism Wave, Tony Parker, blue wave looking kind of card. Tony Parker. Let's see what that's numbered out of. Not numbered, so that's just a parallel. Shield parallel maybe. All right, and Teletovic. So you got a patch in this one. Let's see what that. Oh boy, Larry Sanders. I think if I'm right, Jeremy Lin. Oh man, we're gonna have our first boom of the day. Rookie swatches, Russ Smith. Check that out. And I think this is, wow, 10 of 10. I thought it was a 1 of 1 at first because it was black, but 10 of 10. Look how beautiful that card is. The nice little patch in there. Rookie swatches, Russ Smith. Congratulations. Another nice one. 10 of 10. Whew. Oh, we got a USA card of LeBron James. Nice. LeBron James. And you had a shield of Kobe too. Sorry about that. LeBron James. Very nice looking Team USA card. That's not numbered, but some color there. A little bit of refractor, wave action, whatever they call it. Oh, look like you got another patch in here. Mike Conley. Another one of these blue wave looking cards. Rudy Gay. And your patch autograph. Cedric Maxwell. Patch autograph. The Rudy Gay wasn't numbered. 105, 199. Patch autograph. Or not patch. Jersey autograph. Sorry. That's right, Chris. That's your PC team right there. Coleton's going to be in the room later, I think. So maybe if you want to make him an offer for that one, he'll probably sell it to you. Patty Mills. Al Jefferson. Kevin Durant. And look like we got a dummy card, right? Yep, dummy card. Okay. So they're trying to trick people in this one too. This looks like a blue parallel. Darren Williams, Team USA, or maybe this is just the base of Team USA. Darren Williams. What's up, Ben? And a Reggie Jackson shield. All right, we got an auto coming up. Marcin Gortat. The USA cards will go to the team that the player plays for. So that Darren Williams will go to the Nets. And I think we had LeBron earlier, so that'll go to the Cavaliers. So on. Adrian Payne rookie card. James Young rookie. That's a good question for Grant Hill. Patty Mills for the San Antonio Spurs. These are on card. These are nice looking on card autographs. Imagine pulling a big one, big time player with this one. 8 out of 199. Wow, jersey number. That's a mini boom. There you go, Coleton. Mini boom. Jersey number Patty Mills. On card autograph. I guess we'll go with I don't know. I gotta talk with the other guys, but for like somebody like Grant Hill, I guess we'll probably go with the team that he played the most years for. So Kenneth Faried, Darren Collison, and a Prism Mitch McGary. Prism Refractor Mitch McGary rookie card. Almost there. So we got another blue. Victor Oladipo. Oh, that Andre Bargnani was a shield. Victor Oladipo, Steph Curry. Aaron Gordon, and a blue Kyrie Irving. That is 101 out of 249. Nice, man. 2 more packs for Coleton. First break of the day. Wesley Matthews, Dante Exum rookie card. PJ Hairston and a Prism rookie Clay Anthony Early. And Kyle Anderson rookie. Alright, last pack. Monte Ellis, Derek Favors, John Wall, dummy card, and a looks like a red parallel for Adrian Payne, base parallel, not numbered, and a shield of Spencer Dinwiddie rookie. All right, thank you, Colton. We'll get those out with the rest of your cards later.